Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Toyota Prius hybrid battery. Before you begin, safety is paramount. Always disconnect the 12-volt auxiliary battery first. Wear insulated gloves and safety glasses to protect yourself from high voltage. Make sure the car is completely off and the smart key is far away to prevent accidental power-up. Now, let's access the battery. Begin by carefully removing the rear cargo area trim panels and floor covers. This will expose the hybrid battery pack. Next, locate the orange high-voltage service plug and disconnect it. Finally, unbolt the battery cover and any securing brackets holding the battery in place. With the battery exposed, it's time for removal. Carefully lift out the old hybrid battery pack, which can be quite heavy. You might need assistance. Transfer any necessary components, like the battery computer or cooling fan, from the old battery to the new one. Then, gently lower the new battery into its designated position. To finish up, reconnect all electrical connectors and the high-voltage service plug. Ensure everything is securely fastened. Replace all the trim panels and floor covers you removed earlier. Once everything is back in place, start the vehicle and check the dashboard for any warning lights. If none appear, you've successfully replaced your hybrid battery.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.